Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yes, my people, I'm there again with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect. Man, as teacher number one. Alright, now my people, first up, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened after rainfall caused flooding along the Holland Bamboo Main Road in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Now, firefighters responded to the situation, viewers and subscribers. If you look at the video, you can see a fire truck as well, viewers and subscribers. And based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that a certain amount of bamboo fell to the ground, viewers and subscribers. I should have said bamboos. You see? Anyways, you know, this is not the only video that has been put out there on social media about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers. And, you know, you can also let me know what to think about the things that you're about to see and hear in this video. I'm trying to see if I can remember when last something like this happened in Holland Bamboo. Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe and tell me what you think.
Live here, Holland Bamboo. The road block up down here, water and stuff like that running down here in Holland Bamboo. We're here to see the fireman them trying to clear the road there. See a lot of vehicles up that side. The rain is coming down same way. We're trying to get out of here. There's a lot of water down here. Alright. Sit down there, so.
Alright, my people. Now, when it comes to Jamaica people, enough people say Holland Bamboo. And a Holland Bamboo. You hear me, my people? Yeah, you know. And you know, I remember one time a whole heap more bamboo did there along the main road of Holland Bamboo, you know, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, and I really, you know. But, you know, I guess something happened to Mother Nature, you know. Alright, so my people, just to make you know about that situation, you know. I hope you have an understanding about the situation still. So let me know what you think. And with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, in the next video that I'm going to present to you, a female said some things that gave me the understanding that she pointed out that the sign that some people within the country of Jamaica call Negril sign is not in Negril. My people, more you listen carefully to the things that the female said in this video. May I tell you, that sign there, I get a whole heap of talk about on social media. Alright, here's the video. Look, listen and observe for yourself, my people, and tell me what you think.
Alright, so I noticed that well, I want to criticize the government $12 million sheet metal Negril sign where rivet together. Where Mr. People post video where the riveting them start pull out already. But I know that's the problem. Am I the only person realize that the sign is not in Negril? I'm sure you're aware of the columns them that them put up to tell you know which parish you're crossing over in. Right? And the last time I check, and the last memory I have a school from my atlas, and I don't think the world changed or whatsoever. But the last time I recall, Negril is in Westmoreland. Right? Now, back to the columns. The columns that cross over from Hanover to Westmoreland. Right? If you're coming from Hanover, you will see the Westmoreland on one side. However, if you're leaving Hanover, Westmoreland, you will see Hanover on the other side. Now, when me I come from work, me pass the Negril sign. And couple minutes drive down the road later, me just reach the sign where say Westmoreland. That are the two column where say Westmoreland. Yeah, after me go through the two column, you see another sign say, you are entering Negril. No, me see that sign way after me pass the Negril sign where the government put up. Me see that the sign there after me go through the Westmoreland border. So me make sure so me turn back and look to see what they on the other side of the column. And Hanover. So going back from Negril to that side, you would have crossed over into Hanover and then you would have seen the Negril sign. So as of now, Negril is officially in Hanover. So whenever I decide so I come at Negril, as soon as I reach Hanover and see the Negril sign, just shout, yeah, we reach Negril. Because as far as me concerned, the sign in Hanover and Negril in a Westmoreland. And as far as me know, the sign they far from Negril. The sign no they nowhere near Westmoreland. Unless the column them what them put up I say something different or they inaccurate. Because the sign no in a Negril. The sign they far from Negril. The sign they in a Hanover. I mean no one of me alone to say sign no in a Negril. Me sure no me alone to say no in a Negril none tall.
Alright, now my people who live in Negril or know the sign, let me know what I think about the things that the female said. Tell me if she's correct or if she's not correct. Leave your answer in the comment section of this video. You see? You ever been to a school that had the name of a place, but the school is not built at the place where it got its name from? You ever see that before? Well, I have. Yeah, missed that before, you know. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about that video. And in my point of view, I think that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might find the next topic interesting. Now, I saw a video on social media that shows a member of parliament who goes by the name of Robert Montague. And based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that he was speaking in the House of Representatives sometime earlier within the month of September the year 2022, viewers and subscribers. Now, in the video, Mr. Montague said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that any decent law-abiding citizen with a clean police record, no mental issues or domestic violence conviction should be able to acquire a gun permit within 45 days of applying. Yes, so may I say my people. So, Mr. Montague also point out that criminals have more advanced weapons than the police in many cases, viewers and subscribers, and that the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the Jamaica Defense Force at times preoccupied with other operations, spending hours in shootouts. So you understand me, I said to you, and then he must say, yet law-abiding citizens are being asked to join the fight against crime. Then him say, what are they supposed to join the fight against crime with? Them two long hand, a two stone and a cutlass. You see me, I say, people. See, me only explain my words to my people. See, and I really make a big point there, so it make a valid point there, so. See, now my people, here's the thing now, see? You see the things I'm going to say? I understand. And I see good and bad now things I'm going to say. See? And when it comes down to the good part of what I see now, I still say bad, even though at the good part of it. See, because you have now. It's good to know that someone can be able to defend his or herself by applying for a firearm license and then get a legal firearm. But at the same time, it's really sad and bad in my point of view to know that citizens within the country of Jamaica will find themselves or have to find themselves doing these things to feel safe and to also protect themselves. You see me as my people? But at the same time now, me say total bad that might happen. Because what if so much people within the country of Jamaica get firearm license and then have a whole lot of guns, and then some people might not handle the gun or guns with care, and then some people might be quick to draw them gun as the least argument start between them and someone. And what if repeated incidents happen where firearm license holders somehow engage in shootouts? You understand me? All them things that I start to look on. It come like a back in the Western days then. You see me and some people, so all them things. So I say good and I say bad night things that when some people. You see? But you know, I go see how this whole thing play out, my people. So based on some things that he said, I got the understanding that he somewhat give an understanding about the statistics as to how many persons got license to carry a firearm and how many of those persons had been victims to criminal activities. You see me, as some people are to crime. You see? Yeah, like how many of those persons might have somehow become a victim of criminals and them things. You see me? And I'm talking about persons who are he's talking about, which is licensed firearm holders. I mean, understand. You see? Because it's when a criminal realize a person is a licensed firearm holder, then now just up and come do them foolishness, you know. Some of them will think 2 times or 3 times before them try anything. You understand me, people? Plus it give good Jamaica citizens a chance to defend themselves. You see me, I say, I tell you, it tough. It rough, it tough, you know. I yes, I left it, you know. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.